Hi everybody, it's Mel here from Melinda Hurd Photography and Video. Now today I just wanted to share with you some super simple tips of how you can turn your home or your office into a more professional environment so that you can get busy making some amazing videos simply by using your smartphone. Now, video is such a powerful tool, and when used correctly and combined with a strategic marketing and a promoting plan, you can achieve some incredible results. So the more you do it, the better you get, and the better you get, the more you will like it. I can promise you that now. I learned a while ago that we need to actually be putting ourselves in front of 100 different people a week or more, and video can allow this to happen and to a much wider audience. So for those who are ready to buy, they're either going to buy from you, buy from your competitor, or do nothing at all because you haven't moved them in a way or asked them to do something next. So for example, if your videos are really focused on your customer needs and can demonstrate the value and benefits to them, and then if you can get them to do something, such as visiting your landing page with your compelling offer that genuinely provides a great solution, then you are on the road to success. Because the purpose of creating business videos is to increase brand awareness, increase leads and conversions. But by doing nothing, you're getting zero in return. So let's get into it. So obviously the first thing you need is your smartphone. Now you have a wonderful, powerful camera in your hand that can actually occasionally make a phone call or two. So the next thing that you'll need is a tripod, and you can get these for around about $100. But always use a tripod because you actually need to be at eye level because that's how we normally communicate with one another. So a good tip also is to be standing up when you present. Not only will you have better posture, but by standing up it allows you to communicate with more expression than you would if you were just sitting down stationary. So you'll also need to purchase a smartphone clamp, and these can be found around about $50. And then next you need really good audio. On-camera microphones are not good quality and they can pick up all sorts of noise which can turn people off from listening to you. So always invest in an external lapel microphone. I use this one, it's a SmartLav and it costs around $70. And you'll also need to invest in a little extension piece that connects the lapel to your phone. Pop it in, pop your lapel, and you are on your way. So start thinking about your recording space. Unless you have a designated outdoor spot to do this that's not too bright, not too noisy or distracting, then you need to consider other options, such as converting your garage into an area where you can record, or another part of the house or room, off from the office. Something that's needs to be considered in this is it's quiet space and free from clutter, and especially well lit, because lighting is so important. Particularly if you're producing good quality videos, we don't want to be let down by having poor lighting, and we don't want to come across like we're not that professional. So position yourself always facing light, the window light, but never have your back to a window light if the front isn't lit, because all that backlight coming in can darken up your face. It's really quite affordable to go online and get a 2 or 3 LED lighting system. So you can set it at 45-degree angle, one's a key light, one's a fill light, and for $300 or less, it's well worth the investment. So have you thought about your background or your backdrop? You can use a green screen or you can use a clean white wall, and that'll be great because if you stand to the left or to the right and create some space, it gives you the opportunity to edit some text in later, or you can decorate your background or your office. But if you're in the business of explaining things or educating, consider having a flip chart or a whiteboard to make it more interactive with your audience. So another good thing to think about is using a teleprompter. It will still have your thoughts and your words on there, but by reading from a teleprompter, you will ensure that you're keeping on track, and it will have a much sharper, concise finish and flow. And with a bit of practice, you'll get used to it, and you can still have a conversational-like delivery tone to your videos. You can download the Teleprompter 3 Plus on your phone, and it costs about $30. So dress the same way as you would often go out to meet your clients for the first time, and in a way that reflects your professionalism and your brand. And it also doesn't hurt to rehearse a few times of getting used to being in front of the camera and to look back and to see if the angles, the background, the lighting is all correct. But most importantly, don't forget to smile. This is so important in how we personally connect with one another. And if you need to have a reminder, put on a sticky note, a big smiley face, and put it next to your camera or on the wall in front of you. Now, all that's left for you to do is, once you're set up, is to produce the content. But that's a whole other topic I usually talk about. So I know this is a super quick demonstration, but if you are keen to know more, just let me know, because I am going to be creating more videos that go into this topic and other topics in more depth, because now is the time to be creating the video content. So if you or someone you know needs to start making videos, but are either unsure where to start, maybe need some guidance, or simply just don't want to do it themselves, then let me know, as I can provide additional support as well, such as strategy, video coaching, editing and producing. I can show you how to repurpose and promote your videos. I have a studio where it's safe, where it's one-on-one, self-distancing practices apply, but the main thing is for you to belt out as much content as you can. So thank you for listening, and I hope that's really helped.